What's up, YouTube? It's Brian back with another one. We got a GMC Sierra we about to do. Nothing on the inside. It's just it's a wash with our level 1 paint protection, so that we start getting a lot of these during the summertime because it's hot outside. The sun rays are beaming, and the sun rays will tear up your paint job if it's not protected. So the stuff we about to put on there is going to protect the black part of the on the mirrors or the trim of the vehicle. It's also going to protect the wheels and the grill, and most importantly, the clear coat on the paint is good, you know, UV protection. It's going to make it shine, keeps it from oxidizing, all that good stuff, and it's also going to make the water bead up in the rain. So it's a good 2 to 3 months of protection. So if you need that, you know what to do. Give us a call. Check out Winning Edge Carwash, and y'all get to see me in action as usual. So let's get to it. with the solution that is going to protect the paint from the sun. It's a replacement for a hand wax. So I'm gonna let that sit on there for a minute, let it do its job, let it work, and we're gonna keep going. Alright, so it done sat on the vehicle long enough to start bonding to the clear coat itself. So let's rinse it off, dry this thing up, put that tire shine on, out of here. Put this stuff up and it's time to go. I don't know if we're gonna do another one. I'm gonna go look, but for the most part it's done for today. All right, y'all, we like bro, it's so hot right now. I can't even talk right, but I can work in the heat. That's what I was built for. So, hey, let's check this truck out, man. It's glossy, glistening, it's protected. Y'all can see the wheels looking good. The outside has that paint protection on it, so it's giving it a real nice shine. So the windows, the black trim, everything on the grill, the wheels, everything is protected now for like 2 to 3 months. But let me get off this whole shaky hands thing. All right, so yeah, man. That's what we're working with today on the GMC Sierra. So I'm gonna go get the customer, make sure he happy with it, get paid, and keep it moving. So let's go grab him so he can check it out. Sure he gonna be happy, and that's what we on.
Yeah, so what I would do is maybe just bring it here or something, you know?
Yeah, I can.
Oh, look at it. Yeah, I feel it, bro. No, I
feel a lot better, don't it?
I feel it.
Yeah.
Did you put tire shine or is that just cleaner?
No, that's tire shine.
Oh, right on. I appreciate that. Hey,
sure.
Because I'm taking care of the truck.
You got to, man.
You know?
That's how I tell people if they just.
Hey, you know, a lot of times today, man, you just don't. You can't. Who the hell can afford to go buy something?
Man, it's tough right now. I mean, basically, the pricing is set so that you will get into payments. So
no kidding. Hey, this is paying for it. Hey, so what I was going to say with Debbie's truck now, you know where she's at, honey? Watch this. She's at Gainesville Hung Fitness.
Yeah.
So it's not like anything problem for you to get over there, the main center.
No, I can definitely go over there and take care of it. Ain't no problem.
I was thinking, because her birthday's coming up. This
Feel
yeah,
good.
like you said. Hey, because all I wanted to do was just make sure that it wasn't fucking up the hood.
Most definitely.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So
yeah, and then on the top up there you had.
Yeah.
I think you said it was something about the black spots. I scrubbed all the black spots off.
And a lot of because the bottom line is we just don't want that. You know how we've seen some roofs get really bad off,
right?
And they just cook.
Yeah. Nah, this now, like I said, it's clean.
No, it's clean. She's a keeper, hun.
And
so,
it feels good. So
no, I appreciate you.
Yes, sir.
I mean, it's just the bottom line. It's just I wanted to you know, I've never pulled the trigger on this.
Yeah.
So
Now you know about mobile detailing. You know about us.
well, and that's awesome. That's why I appreciate you, because
Yeah.
I don't mind. You know, whatever it would, like I said, this is like every 4 months or something. You know, it's fucking just part of the gig.
It just keep it up, man. Like my dad's got the same kind of truck color and everything, so it's just all about just putting the right products on it. Just
She's
to
a
keep
good
up with
girl.
It. Yeah. You can't go wrong with the Chevy.
No,
Yeah.
So
You can't go wrong with the
she's a
Chevy.
good girl, and who can afford their new trucks? I see him go by. We live in, my wife and I have acreage out in Fairbanks, so we sit there and look at, I drool over them new trucks.
Yeah,
you know?
man.
But Debbie and I, everything's, you know, we're just like.
That's
Yeah,
totally
you got some money invested, honey.
Yeah, man.
good.
I try to keep my little equipment going. We trying to grow it, so every day is a work in progress.
No, I know the feeling, brother. So come on in. Let's run the card, right? You'll be able to run that. And and get you out of here.
Most definitely, man. I appreciate you.
I can't think of anything else. I mean, the only thing. Let me just check something.
All right, y'all. So it's time to get up out of here. I actually just got another call for another detail, but it's Sunday. I've hit my goal for the week, and it is time to relax, man. I'm probably gonna find me a little seafood place somewhere and chill. I thought about going to get that money so it'll pay for all that seafood and drinking I want to do, but whatever. We'll use the money we got. Let's relax. Get the day set up for tomorrow and get my guys on point. You can see my customer was really happy. He gonna have me do his wife vehicle soon, so it's whatever, man. Like, I'm just highly blessed and highly favored, and I'm thanking God for where I'm at in life right now. So let's get this AC and calmly drive off this curve, and we out.